Welcome back to another video. Today we got a Walmart ad. We're going to be looking at the tools and the tools, camping and tire section of this ad. This ad is valid May 24th through January 8th. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. As we can see, we are a tool channel. So we're going to fast forward to the tool section or the camping section, whatever we see first. So we got some food, obviously, dog food, personal items. We got some grills. I don't know if you guys are interested in grills, but we got several different types of grills. It's nice. $4.92. $4.97 in a grill there. 36-inch. Nice grills there. Coffee maker. Let's see what else. We got a nice cooler for $49. Nice little lounge chair. $24.88. What is this? Sick fishing. All-Star Trail stainless steel cooler. $96. All right. Fast forward to the tool section here. We got mastered your projects or your home projects. Looks like we got a tool bag here. We got a reciprocating saw. So let's look at what we have here. We got a hyper tough 20-volt drill and project kit. Wish I could make this bigger. Let's see here. We got a bag. A tool bag, a hammer. We got some drill bits. Drill bits. We got some more bits here. Got a crescent wrench, a needle nose, regular pliers, screwdriver there, a charger, tape measure, and a regular drill, which is a hyper tough. I gotta say, hyper tough is not a bad item, especially if you're gonna be doing DIY projects. Hanging a picture frame, tying up a bolt or a nut or screw or something like that. So not a bolt, a screw basically. And drilling a small hole. I mean, hyper tough should do the trick, So on this one, we got the drill itself. We got a hyper tough 20-volt lithium drill, $24.84. So this is a real cheap drill, especially if it's a lithium ion. So, just by the fact it says lithium ion, I mean, it's a real cheap drill. I mean, I'm not talking about that it's useless. I'm talking about that it's a basic drill you can use at home. Or somebody that doesn't have any tools at all, they can start with Hyper Tough. Hyper Tough 20-volt lithium battery, $16.94. Even the batteries are cheap, You got the Hyper Tough 20-volt lithium impact driver. 45.86. So yes, this is obviously going to be your more expensive item because obviously it's an impact driver. Impact driver tend to be a little bit more expensive than drills, probably because the impact mechanism inside the drill itself. So it's a nice little drill for the DIY home use. And then you got a Hyper Tough 20-volt lithium circular saw, $45.86. Says valid May 24 to June 8th, 2019. It looks like it's a small 6.5. It says. I could barely read. It doesn't really tell you details here. I would like Walmart to tell you a little bit more details about the tool or the description of the item. But I can read right here. It's a 24 teeth or tooth, and it's a 6.5 blade. Alright, I guess that's it for the power tools. We got a fan here, $17.88, an AC, $136. More fans down here. Oh, this is one of the... Never mind. I thought this was one of the fans that I have, but I don't have that fan. Anyways, we got a ladder here for $49. We got a Louisville 6 feet aluminum step ladder for $49. Looks pretty nice. I mean, I haven't tried it myself. Obviously, when you're buying a ladder, you might want to look at the load capacity. Make sure you're not exceeding the load even with yourself or carrying a load with you. So obviously look at the directions and the instructions before you use. You got some paint there. It looks like Gildan. Yeah, Gildan. Interior paint. 23. It's hard to read. Let's see if here. Glidden. Yeah. Interior paints and primer. $23.94. Your basic paint there. And you got your basic kit there to paint. It says 9-piece best trade kit, $13.97. It's not a bad deal if it works. You know, I never used something like that before, but if it works, you know, why not use it? Some bubble wrap and bathing suits there. Some arcades for the kids. Let's go down to the tire section here. We got TVs. 4K TV, 65-inch and 58-inch. I gotta say, TVs have gone down in prices from back in the days. Alright, we got some tires. Let's see here. Sorry, guys. Free lifetime balance and tire rotation. Guess now everybody's doing that now. So, I mean, there's nothing new. They're just competing with other, you know, big old tires, Firestone and all those. So it says starting at $60. You got a Goodyear Viva 3. Hopefully we can get a bigger picture. That's the tread. $60 valid. 20. Okay. It says description. P185 65 R14 60,000 mile tire. Tread wear warranty. I mean, Goodyears are okay. I would go with Goodyear if you don't, you know, if you don't want to spend so much. It should be an okay tire. Goodyear Assurance Outlast tire. We got P205 55 R16 80,000 mile tire right there. And we got a Goodyear Wrangler radial. I love the Wranglers are a little bit better, you know, for me as in with the truck, like that Wrangler tires. We got $74 per tire. It's a P235 75 R15 50,000 mile tire. It's got a nice tread there. Get a Goodyear Wrangler Trail Mark tire. It's P235 70 R16 55,000 mile tire. And then for the last one, we got a Goodyear Wrangler ATS/S tire, starting at 110. So it just depends on whatever is available for your vehicle. We got a P265 70 R17 50,000 mile tire. Alright, looks like that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.